Hi, today we'll be learning the standard algorithm for multiplication. And before we get started, if you're interested in getting more of these resources, if you click on the description below, you can get all 6 of these worksheets that all have this color coding with them, and every single one has a video. So you'll get access to all of the videos also. And this also comes in partial products and area model with the same numbers, but different strategies so that students can practice using the algorithm that works for them. If you click below, you also get the task card version of this, and there's also a digital version for this for Google Slides. But let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do this first problem, 37 times 6. Notice that this is color coded, so that's just going to help guide you a little bit as we go through it. This is the standard algorithm, but the colors in the boxes will just help you check in and make sure that you're doing it correctly, because we'll put 1 digit in each box, and then that shows you up there that there's something that needs to go there too, and then you can check your work at the end with these to see that if your answer is the correct amount of digits. When we are multiplying, I like to think of the numbers as teams. The 37 are on the same team, they're next to each other, and then the 6 is on a different team. So the 6 will go against the 7, and then the 6 will go against the 3. These two are never going to battle each other because they're on the same team and they're next to each other. So that helps me, especially once you get into harder questions, to remember that the numbers, the digits next to each other are on the same team. So we'll start with our 6, and we are going right to left, meaning we do the 7 and then the 3. Right to left, so it's the opposite of reading. All right, the first thing to do is 6 times 7. And whatever you get, I like to write it out first and then I put it where it goes. So 6 times 7 is 42. And then I'm going to put the 4 up here and the 2 down here. 42. This is blue because I did 6 times 7, and then these are my blues, 42. And now I'll do 6 times 3, and I'll put that here. So next I'm going to do 6 times 3. So we already used the 7, now we're going to use the 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And then I have to add this 4 back in, so 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22, and I'm just going to put that right there. And that's it, I'm all finished. So again, I did 6 times 7 and then 6 times 3. When I did 6 times 7, I had to carry because I got 42, and that's a double digit number, so I put the 4 up here. Then when I did 6 times 3, I got 18, but I had to add this 4 in, and I got 22. And then I didn't have to carry here because there's nothing left with the problem. I'm finished now, so I can just put it in. So our final answer is 222.